Hi, today I'm Redmi Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first, let's just open the Play Store app because we should get the Ampere application, and let's enter the Ampere. Now let's tap to the search, and here the first application we should get. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just open the application, click to yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and here we can see information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 34.4 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.